Right now, moving through our solar system at 58 kilometers every single second, there is an object that was never supposed to be here. It didn't form around our sun. It isn't following our sun's rules. It came from somewhere else entirely, another star system light years away. When astronomers calculated its path, they realized something almost unbelievable. This is only the third object of its kind humanity has ever confirmed. Its name is 3I/Atlas, and this week, a spacecraft quietly orbiting Mars turned its camera toward it and caught something remarkable. Here's what we actually know about this visitor from another star, and what we honestly still don't. 3I/Atlas was first spotted on July 1st, 2025, by the Atlas Survey Telescope in Rio Hurtado, Chile, a NASA-funded network built to catch fast-moving objects. ATLAS stands for the Asteroid Terrestrial Impact Last Alert System. Its whole job is scanning the sky every night for anything that might be heading our way. Within days of the discovery, astronomers dug up older images from telescopes around the world and realized they'd already photographed this object without knowing what it was. Once they plotted its full path, the math didn't add up to anything born in our own solar system. Scientists call its orbit hyperbolic, meaning it isn't looping around the sun the way Earth, Mars, or any homegrown comet would. It's just passing through on a one-way trip. Once 3I/Atlas leaves, it is never, ever coming back. Its trajectory is so extreme that researchers say it's statistically unlikely to have passed this close to any star before, not since it was flung out of its home system billions of years ago. To understand how big a deal that is, you have to understand just how rare this kind of visitor really is. In all of recorded astronomical history, humanity has confirmed exactly 3 objects that came from outside our solar system. The first was Oumuamua, spotted in 2017, a strange, elongated, tumbling object that sparked years of scientific debate about what it actually was. The second was Comet Borisov, discovered in 2019, which behaved much more like a familiar comet, complete with a visible tail. And now, in 2025, we have the third, 3I/Atlas. Bigger, older, and, thanks to a lucky spacecraft near Mars, the best photographed interstellar object yet. 3 confirmed interstellar visitors out of the entire history of astronomy. That's how special this moment really is. This week, we got something we've never had before with an interstellar object, a genuine close-up. As 3I/Atlas raced past Mars, China's Tianwen-1 orbiter, which has been quietly circling the red planet for nearly 5 years, turned its high-resolution camera away from Mars itself. That camera was never built for this. It was designed to photograph sunlit rock and dust on the Martian surface, not a faint object tens of millions of kilometers away. 3I/Atlas appeared roughly 10,000 to 100,000 times fainter than the Martian terrain that camera was built to see. Engineers at the China National Space Agency spent weeks running simulations and instrument checks just to have a real shot at capturing it, and they pulled it off. The images aren't crisp, they're faint and a little grainy, but they clearly show something extraordinary. You can make out a glowing coma, a cloud of gas and dust surrounding the object's icy core, and a tail streaming off behind it. The photos were taken from a distance of about 30 million kilometers, making Tianwen-1 one of the closest spacecraft ever to observe an interstellar object. Scientists even stitched multiple images together into a short animation, tracking the comet's movement across the sky in near real time. It's the kind of data researchers normally only dream about getting from something that visits us just once and then disappears forever. So what actually is this thing? Scientists estimate the icy core of 3I/Atlas is only about 5.5 kilometers across, small as comets go. But the cloud of gas and dust surrounding that tiny core stretches for thousands of kilometers in every direction. As 3I/Atlas gets closer to the Sun, its ice is warming up and turning directly into gas, a process called outgassing. That process is releasing water and other volatile material that's been frozen solid for an almost incomprehensible stretch of time. And here's the detail that stops people in their tracks. Researchers estimate this object could be somewhere between 3 and 11 billion years old. For context, our entire solar system, the Sun, Earth, every planet you've ever heard of, is only about 4.5 billion years old. It's genuinely possible that this comet is older than our Sun itself. Some scientists believe it may have formed around an entirely different, ancient star near the center of the Milky Way,